Exploring Rio de Janeiro, a journey through iconic landmarks and neighborhoods. Opening scene camera pans over the breathtaking skyline of Rio de Janeiro, capturing the iconic Cristo Redentor statue overlooking the city. Welcome to Rio de Janeiro, a vibrant city known for its stunning landscapes, rich culture, and lively neighborhoods. Today, we invite you on a 20-minute journey to explore some of Rio's most iconic landmarks and charming districts. Transition to Cristo Redentor. Scene shifts to the base of Corcovado Mountain, where tourists are boarding the train to Cristo Redentor. Our first stop is Cristo Redentor, one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Perched atop Corcovado Mountain, this colossal statue of Christ the Redeemer offers panoramic views of Rio and its surrounding beauty. Cut to tourists marveling at the statue and enjoying the panoramic views. Visitors from around the globe come here to experience the spiritual essence and breathtaking vistas that Cristo Redentor embodies. Transition to Sugarloaf Mountain. Scene transitions to the cable car station at Sugarloaf Mountain, with tourists eagerly waiting to ascend. Next on our journey is Sugarloaf Mountain, a natural landmark that rises majestically from the Guanabara Bay. Show aerial shots of the cable car journey and the stunning views from the mountaintop. The cable car ride offers a thrilling experience as it takes you to the summit, where you can admire Rio's skyline, the sparkling waters, and the lush greenery that surrounds this enchanting city. Transition to Santa Teresa Tramway. Scene shifts to the historic tramway of Santa Teresa, with its charming cobblestone streets and colorful buildings. Moving on, we venture into the historic neighborhood of Santa Teresa, known for its bohemian vibe and picturesque streets. The Santa Teresa Tramway is a nostalgic journey back in time, offering a glimpse of Rio's past. Show scenes of the tram moving through narrow streets lined with art galleries, cafes, and street art. Take a leisurely ride on this iconic tramway and immerse yourself in the artistic and cultural essence of Santa Teresa. Transition to Escadaria Sealer N. Scene transitions to the vibrant and colorful Escadaria Sealer N, with its mosaic steps attracting visitors and artists. Our next stop is the Escadaria Sealer N, a masterpiece created by Chilean-born artist Jorge Sealer N. These vibrant tiled steps have become a symbol of Rio's artistic flair and cultural diversity. Show tourists taking photos and admiring the intricate mosaic designs. As you climb these colorful steps, you'll be surrounded by a fusion of colors, patterns, and stories that reflect the soul of Rio's vibrant communities. Transition to Botanical Garden. Scene shifts to the serene Botanical Garden, showcasing lush greenery, exotic plants, and tranquil pathways. For nature enthusiasts, the Botanical Garden is a must-visit oasis nestled in the heart of Rio. Explore diverse plant species, beautiful orchids, and serene ponds in this botanical paradise. Show visitors strolling through the garden, admiring the flora and fauna. Take a moment to connect with nature, breathe in the fresh air, and appreciate the biodiversity that thrives within this botanical gem. Transition to Botafogo, Copacabana, and Ipanema. Scene transitions to the bustling neighborhoods of Botafogo, Copacabana, and Ipanema, showcasing their unique charm and coastal beauty. Our journey concludes with a glimpse of Rio's lively neighborhoods, each offering its own blend of culture, cuisine, and coastal charm. Show scenes of Botafogo's waterfront, Copacabana's iconic beach, and Ipanema's bustling streets. Whether you're savoring acai bowls in Botafogo, soaking up the sun on Copacabana Beach, or exploring the trendy boutiques of Ipanema, Rio's neighborhoods captivate with their energy. The Rio Carnival in Brazil is indeed a spectacular event that attracts people from all over the world to witness its vibrant colors, electrifying atmosphere, and soul-stirring rhythms. The carnival is a celebration of life, music, dance, and culture, and it is famous for its elaborate parades, samba music, and dazzling costumes. One of the highlights of the Rio Carnival 2024 was the performance of the Viradouro Samba School, which emerged as the champions of the carnival. The Samba schools are the heart and soul of the Rio Carnival, with each school competing fiercely to showcase their creativity, talent, and cultural themes. Viradouro Samba School's performance in 2024 was particularly celebrated for its African theme, which highlighted Brazil's rich Afro-Brazilian heritage and culture. The school's dancers, musicians, and performers brought to life the rhythms and traditions of African music and dance, creating a mesmerizing and unforgettable experience for the audience. The carnival costumes created by Viradouro were also a sight to behold, with their intricate designs, vibrant colors, and luxurious embellishments. These costumes are meticulously crafted over months of preparation, and they play a crucial role in the visual spectacle of the carnival parades. Moreover, Viradouro's carnival floats were a testament to the creativity and artistry of the samba schools. These floats are massive and intricately designed, often featuring moving parts, special effects, and thematic elements that complement the school's overall performance. Overall, witnessing the Rio Carnival and experiencing the magic of Viradouro's performance would have been an unforgettable experience, immersing spectators in the joy, energy, and cultural richness of this iconic event. Ipanema Beach, known for its beautiful stretch of sand and lively atmosphere, Ipanema Beach is one of Rio de Janeiro's most iconic beaches. It is located in the upscale neighborhood of Ipanema and offers stunning views of the coastline. Arpoador Beach, situated between Ipanema and Copacabana, Arpoador Beach is renowned for its breathtaking sunsets. It's a popular spot for surfers and offers a more laid-back vibe compared to the neighboring beaches. Copacabana Beach, perhaps the most famous beach in Rio, Copacabana Beach stretches for about 4 kilometers and is lined with hotels, restaurants, and bars. It's a hub of activity, attracting tourists and locals alike for sunbathing, beach sports, and socializing. Barra da Tijuca Beach, located in the western part of Rio de Janeiro, Zona Oeste, Barra da Tijuca Beach is known for its wide expanse of sand and calmer waters. It's a favorite spot for surfing, kiddie-boarding, and other water sports. Leblon Beach, adjacent to Ipanema Beach, Leblon Beach offers a more upscale and less crowded experience. It's popular among locals and visitors looking for a quieter beach atmosphere with upscale amenities. Praia de Grumari. This beach is part of the Grumari Environmental Protection Area and is known for its natural beauty and preserved surroundings. It's a bit more remote compared to the beaches in the city center, offering a tranquil escape from the urban hustle. Prainha Beach, another gem in the west zone of Rio, Prainha Beach is known for its scenic beauty, clean waters, and good surfing conditions. It's a favorite spot for nature lovers and surfers seeking a less crowded beach experience. Reserva Beach, situated near Barra da Tijuca, Reserva Beach is part of an ecological reserve, offering a more pristine and less developed beach environment. It's a great place for those looking to enjoy nature and relax away from the busier beaches. These beaches collectively contribute to Rio de Janeiro's reputation as a top beach destination, attracting millions of visitors each year with their natural beauty, vibrant atmosphere, and recreational opportunities. Rio de Janeiro is famous for its beautiful beaches, vibrant culture, and delicious food and drinks. When it comes to refreshments and food at Rio de Janeiro beaches, you can find a variety of options to suit your taste. Here are some popular refreshments and food items you can enjoy at Rio de Janeiro beaches. Caipirinha. This is Brazil's national cocktail, made with cacha, a distilled spirit made from sugarcane, sugar, and lime. It's refreshing and perfect for sipping while lounging on the beach. Hey bowl. Hey is a superfood native to Brazil. You'll find vendors selling hay bowls topped with granola, fruits like bananas and berries, and sometimes honey or condensed milk. It's a healthy and energizing snack. Coconut water. Fresh coconut water is readily available at most beaches in Rio. It's a great way to stay hydrated and enjoy natural refreshment. Grilled cheese on the beach. Queijo coalho. You'll often see vendors grilling queijo coalho, a type of Brazilian cheese, on skewers. It's a delicious and convenient snack to enjoy while soaking up the sun. Pastel. Pastel is a popular Brazilian snack similar to a fried pastry filled with various ingredients like cheese, meat, or shrimp. It's savory and satisfying, perfect for a beach snack. Fresh seafood. Many beachside restaurants and kiosks offer fresh seafood dishes such as grilled fish, shrimp skewers, and seafood stews. These dishes showcase Brazil's coastal culinary delights. Empada. Brazilian savory pie. Empadas are savory pies filled with chicken, shrimp, or other fillings. They are a portable and tasty option for a beach picnic. Ice cream and popsicles. Cool off with a refreshing ice cream cone or a fruity popsicle sold by beach vendors. These frozen treats are popular choices for beachgoers of all ages. Tapioca crepes. Tapioca crepes made from cassava flour are a gluten-free option that can be filled with sweet or savory fillings like cheese, ham, chocolate, or fruits. Fresh fruit. You'll find vendors selling fresh-cut fruits like watermelon, pineapple, mango, and papaya. It's a healthy and hydrating snack to enjoy under the sun. These are just some of the many delicious options you can find for refreshments and food at Rio de Janeiro beaches. Whether you prefer a quick snack, a refreshing drink, or a full meal, there's something to satisfy every craving while enjoying the beach vibes in Rio. Rio de Janeiro is famous for its vibrant nightlife, especially along its beautiful beaches. Here are some popular beach areas known for their nightlife. Copacabana Beach. Copacabana is not just a daytime destination, it comes alive at night as well. You can find a variety of bars, nightclubs and restaurants along the beachfront and nearby streets. Places like Bip Bip, Phosphobox, and Copacabana Palace's Piano Bar are well-known spots for enjoying the night scene. Ipanema Beach, another iconic beach in Rio. Ipanema also offers a lively nightlife. There are numerous beachfront kiosks where you can enjoy drinks and music while watching the sunset. After dark, the streets around Ipanema come alive with bars, clubs, and live music venues like Barzin, Canastra Bar, and Fasano El Mar. West, Barra da Tijuca is known for its expensive beaches and modern nightlife scene. You'll find beachfront clubs, lounges, and restaurants with a younger crowd, making it a popular spot for nightlife enthusiasts. Keep in mind that Rio's nightlife is diverse, with options ranging from casual beachside bars to high-end clubs, so there's something for everyone's taste. Additionally, it's always a good idea to check local listings or ask locals for recommendations, as the nightlife scene can change over time. And remember to stay safe and be aware of your surroundings, especially when exploring nightlife areas in a new city. Depending on the venue and the occasion, you'll see a range of outfits from casual to more glamorous attire. Thank you for joining us, and until next time.